Hi, Marco. You're a bit late today. Is everything all right?
Hi, Erica. Yes, I'm fine now. I apologize for being late.
You seem a bit down, Marco. What happened?
This morning, I visited the coffee shop on the corner.
Oh, that's a lovely place. I really enjoy going there.
No, I attempted to order a coffee there. I used English with the server.
That's wonderful practice. You're quite courageous.
But the server speaks so rapidly, I couldn't follow what he was saying.
I know many people speak quickly here in Chicago.
I tried to speak slowly, but the people waiting in line started laughing. They were mocking me, Erica.
Oh, Marco, I'm truly sorry. That wasn't kind of them.
I feel terrible. Now I'm very self-conscious. Perhaps my English isn't good enough.
Your English is excellent, Marco. You're progressing quickly.
But I make numerous errors. My grammar is flawed.
Mistakes are completely normal. Everybody makes them. That's how we all learn.
Now I feel anxious about speaking. I'm scared.
Don't worry, Marco. Let's practice together right now. We can stick to simple words.
Okay, I'd like that. Thank you, Erica.
Let's discuss your daily routine. This is excellent practice. What do you typically do each morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Good. I wake up. What comes next?
I have breakfast. I sit at my kitchen table.
Perfect. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I consume eggs and toast. I also drink cold milk.
Excellent. You see, you're speaking perfect English.
Yes, this feels easy. I'm feeling better now. Simple is good.
Let's try one more question. What about your sister? What does she do?
She go to school. She is a student.
Very close. For she, we add an S to the verb.
Oh, yes, I remember now. She goes to school.
You got it. That's exactly correct. I go, she goes.
Yes, learning happens step by step. I need to be patient.
Exactly. You're doing wonderfully today. Don't worry about the coffee shop. Just keep practicing.
Thank you, Erica. I feel much better now. I'll practice every day. I'll become stronger.
That's the right attitude. Practice makes perfect. Let's go.
Yes, let's head to class now.
Look at the blue ocean today, Erica.
Wow, the water is incredibly clear.
I'm so excited. The sun is very bright. It's quite hot.
I agree completely. The sand is white and soft. I feel so relaxed.
I feel very happy being here. Do you?
Yes, I do. I love the sound of the waves.
Wait, do you have any sunscreen with you, Erica?
I have some in my bag right here.
Thank you. I don't want to get sunburned.
Let's sit near that big palm tree.
Good idea. The tree provides some shade. The sand is very hot on my feet.
Run to the water. It's much cooler there.
You're right. The water feels amazing.
Look at me. I'm swimming now.
Is the water deep over there, Erica?
No, the water's only up to my knees.
That's good. I'm not a very strong swimmer.
Come in. The waves are very small today.
Okay, I'm coming into the ocean now.
Look at that small yellow fish.
I don't see it yet.
It's near that big gray rock.
I see it now. It's very fast.
This is much better than the city.
Yes, the air is very fresh here.
Are you hungry? I have some fruit with me.
Yes, I also have some cold water.
Let's go back to our blue towel.
Okay, let's eat lunch under the tree.
This is a perfect day at the beach.
I'm very glad we came here today. Hello, officer. Can you assist me today?
Yes, sir. What seems to be the problem?
I have a serious problem. I'm very worried.
Please relax, sir. Tell me what's missing.
I can't find my belongings. I'm completely lost.
Take a breath. What exactly are you missing?
I cannot find my blue wallet.
Okay, a blue wallet. Is it large?
No, it's small and quite old.
I see. What do you keep inside the wallet?
My ID card and some cash.
Okay. Is anything else missing, sir?
Yes, I also lost my silver keys.
How many keys are on the ring?
There are 3 keys. One of them is green.
Where did you last see them?
I was at the food court.
Were you sitting at a table?
Yes, I ate a salad and a sandwich there.
Let's go to the food court now. I hope they're still there.
I hope so too.
Look under the yellow chairs, Marco.
I don't see the blue wallet.
Wait, what's that on the floor?
That's it. That's my wallet.
Great. Are your silver keys there too?
Yes, they're under the napkins.
You must be more careful, sir.
Thank you, officer. You're very kind.
It's my job. Please check your money.
Everything is here. Nothing is missing.
That's very good news.
I feel much better now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a safe day.
Goodbye, officer. I'll watch my pockets more carefully.
Goodbye, Marco. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I will go home now.
Good idea. Take care on the bus.
I have my keys now.
Oh no, not again.
Why is this red light flashing?
Hello. Is there a problem with this machine?
Yes, the screen says unexpected item in the bagging area.
I see. Did you put something in the bag just now?
Yes, I scanned this bag of green apples.
Sometimes the machine is very sensitive about weight.
But I did exactly what the computer told me to do.
Let me look at the scanner for you.
I put the apples in the bag, then the light turned red.
I'll use my manager card to fix this error.
Thank you, Tom. I'm not very good with these machines.
Don't worry. This happens to many people every day.
Do I need to scan the apples again?
No, look, the apples are on the list now.
Great. I also have this large bottle of water.
For heavy items, you can leave them in the cart.
Really? But how do I scan the code?
Use this hand scanner. It's easier for big things.
Click. I did it. The water is on the screen.
Perfect. You're a professional now, Maya.
Maybe, but I still prefer the real cashiers.
I understand. Humans are much faster than machines sometimes.
Thank you for your help, Tom. You saved me.
You're welcome. Do you have your own bags?
Yes, I have 2 blue bags in my hand.
Good. Now you can click Pay Now on the screen.
I'm using my credit card. It's finished.
Have a wonderful day, Maya. See you next time.
Goodbye, Tom. Thank you for being so patient.
It's raining heavily. We need a car.
You're right. Let's book a rideshare.
Could you tell me which app you're using?
I'm checking Uber and Lyft at the same time.
Is the price very high today, Erica?
Yes, there's surge pricing because of the rain.
How much is a ride to the station?
The screen says $25 for a car.
$25? That's a lot of money.
Wait, the other app is only $15.
$15 is much better. Let's book that one.
Okay, I'm requesting the ride now.
How many minutes until the driver arrives?
The app says the car is 6 minutes away.
Is that a white car or a black car?
It's a silver Toyota. The license plate ends in 42.
I see the driver's name. It's David.
David has a 5-star rating. He's reliable.
Look at the map. The car is turning left.
We should stand near the blue mailbox.
Yes, I don't want to get wet.
The car is only 2 blocks away now.
Do we need to tell him the address?
No, the GPS tells the driver where to go.
Technology makes travel so easy for us.
Yes, no more waiting for a yellow taxi.
Look, a silver car is stopping over there.
Yes, that's our ride. Let's go.
Hello, David. Are you here for Sarah and Mark?
Get in, Sarah. It's dry inside.
Thank you, Erica. I'm happy we found a car.
Me too. Let's go to the station now.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Smart Hotel.
Hello, I have a reservation for Leo Miller.
Let me check. Yes, 1 room for 3 nights.
That's correct. Is the room ready now?
Yes, you're in room 402 on the 4th floor.
Thank you. But where is my metal key?
We're a smart hotel, Mr. Miller. No keys.
No keys? How do I open my door?
Please download our hotel app on your phone.
Okay, I'm downloading the app right now.
Now tap the digital key button on the screen.
Oh, the phone screen says door unlocked.
Yes, just hold your phone near the door handle.
That's very high tech. I like that.
Your room also has a smart voice assistant.
Can I ask it for the Wi-Fi password?
Yes, or you can read it on this card. Smart Stay 2026.
Is the internet very fast here?
Yes, it's perfect for video calls and movies.
What time is breakfast in the morning?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the lobby.
Is there a large buffet for every guest?
Yes, we have a large buffet for every guest.
Excellent. I'm very hungry in the morning.
The elevator is just behind the big plant.
Thank you. Sophie, you're very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay with us.
Goodbye. I'm going to see my smart room.
Goodbye, Leah. Have a relaxing night.
I will. This hotel is very modern.
Marco.
Hello, Emma. Is there a problem?
Yes, I want to join the yoga class.
Great. The class starts in 10 minutes.
But I don't have the video link.
Oh, did you check your email today?
Yes, I see a message from the gym.
Please click on the blue text. Click here for the live stream.
Yes, that's the correct link for yoga.
My computer screen is black. Is it broken?
No, just wait for the video to load.
I see you now. You're in the gym?
Yes, I'm ready for the session.
Can you hear me during the yoga, Dan?
No, I'll mute all the students first,
Why do you mute the microphones, coach?
so we don't hear your barking dogs.
That's true. My dog is very loud.
You can still see my movements clearly.
Do I need a yoga mat today?
Yes, please put your mat on the floor.
Okay, my mat is ready near the window.
Perfect. Wear comfortable clothes and bring water.
Thank you, Dan. This is very easy.
You're welcome. See you on the screen.
I'm excited. Yoga makes me very calm.
Yes, it's good for your body too.
Goodbye. I'm joining the call now.
Goodbye, Emma. Let's start the class.
Marco.
Lily, my phone is very broken today.
Oh no, Dad. What's the problem?
I cannot see the city map. It's just white.
Let me see. Your map app is very old.
Old? I bought this phone last year.
The phone is new, but the app needs an update.
An update? How do I do that, Lily?
First, we must go to the App Store.
Is this the blue icon with the A?
Yes, tap that icon with your finger.
Okay. Now I see a list of apps.
Look, the map app says Update in green.
I'm pressing the button now. Is it fast?
It takes about 1 minute. We must wait for the circle.
The circle is moving very slowly, Lily.
Sometimes the phone gets tired. We should restart it.
Restart? Will I lose my photos and videos?
No, Dad. Restarting just cleans the phone's memory.
How do I turn it off and on?
Hold the button on the side for 3 seconds.
Okay. The screen is black now. Is it dead?
No. Now hold the same button again.
I see a white apple on the screen.
Perfect. The phone is starting again now.
Look, the map is working. I see our house.
Great. The update and the restart fixed it.
Thank you, Lily. You're a tech genius.
No, Dad. I just read what the screen said.
Now I can find the grocery store.
Good. Don't forget to buy some milk.
I won't. Technology is very helpful now.
Marco, excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Can I help you?
Oh, thank you. I'm very lost.
Don't worry, the city is quite big.
I'm looking for the main train station.
The train station isn't very far.
Can I walk there from here?
Yes, it's about 10 minutes away.
Which street should I take first?
Walk straight down this busy street.
Do I turn at the big blue building?
No, Turn left at the tall glass tower.
Turn left at the tall glass tower. Okay.
Then you'll see a large park.
Is the station behind the green park?
Yes, it's a very large gray building.
I also need a pharmacy.
Are you feeling okay today, Marco?
Yes, but I need some aspirin for my headache.
There's a pharmacy inside the station.
Really? Is it open on a Friday?
Yes, it's open 24 hours a day.
That's perfect. You're very kind.
It's no problem. Enjoy your trip.
Wait, is there a bus too?
Yes, bus number 10 goes to the station.
I think I'll walk. I need fresh air.
The weather is very nice for a walk.
Thank you again for your directions.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Goodbye, Elena. I see the glass tower now.
Goodbye, Marco. Watch out for the cars.
I will. This city is actually very nice.
Marco, can you help me with this?
Hello? Is this your first electric car?
Yes, I bought it only 2 days ago.
It's a very beautiful white car.
Thank you, but the battery is very low.
Don't worry, this is a fast charger.
How long does it take to charge?
It takes 30 minutes for a full charge.
30 minutes? That's a long time.
Yes, but you can sit and relax.
Is there a cafe near this station?
Yes, there's one across the street.
Oh, I see the green sign now.
They have very good coffee and cake.
Does the cafe have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, many people work there every day.
First, please plug the cable into the car like this.
It's a heavy cable.
Yes, push it in until you hear a click.
Okay, I hear it. Is it charging now?
Yes, the blue light is flashing.
Great. How do I pay for the power?
You can use the app on your phone.
Thank you, Sam. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Go get your coffee now.
Will the car stop by itself?
Yes, it stops when the battery is full.
This is much cleaner than a gas station.
Yes, it's much better for the environment.
See you in 30 minutes, Sam.
Goodbye, Clara. Enjoy your hot drink.